हाय फ्रेंड। इस सेशन में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत। उम्मीद है कि आपके पुराने पेपर सब अच्छे गए होंगे। अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे। अभी इस समय क्या है, टाइम कम है और सिलेबस बड़ा है, और आज अपना जो पेपर है ये थोड़ा सा नया है आप लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि इसकी स्टडी आप लोगों ने पहले नहीं की है, तो इसको थोड़ा सा डीपली आपको स्टडी करना है। तो इसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लोगों को ज़रूरत पड़ती है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट। इस पेपर में भी 5 यूनिट है। पहला है ग्रुप, दूसरा होमोमॉर्फिज्म का है, तीसरा रिंग इंटीग्रल डोमेन का है, और नॉर्मल सब ग्रुप है, और आइडियल है। ये सभी नए नए वर्ड है आप लोगों के लिए। तो पहला वर्ड है ग्रुप। तो ग्रुप की स्टडी को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लोगों को स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, और ये ऑलरेडी मुझे लगता है 11th क्लास में आप लोगों का हो चुका है। कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट इज द सेट ए एंड बी. The Cartesian product of the set A and B is denoted by A cross B and is defined as A cross B is equal to curly bracket A small a is the element of A and B is the element of B. Means first element is the element of capital A and second is the element of capital B, such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Then A cross B is called Cartesian product. In general, A cross B does not equal B cross A. So this is the most important definition. Next, binary operation of the set or binary composition. This is again most important. Let G be a non-empty set. G be any non-empty set. Then G cross G means this Cartesian product itself, A cross A, B cross B, such a G cross G. G is the non-empty set, such that first element present in first, second element present in second, A belongs to G and B belongs to second G. Any function means mapping, any mapping F such that G cross G to G means the element of first G and into the element of second G. This is the Cartesian product. Again, construct a G is called binary composition. So this mapping is most important. Binary composition or binary operation on the set G. The image of ordered pair, the element of G cross G is ordered pair, means this is the ordered pair. The image of ordered pair under the function means this mapping denoted by means F A cross B is equal to F A B or A F B. So here we generally use F A B, image of A B is equal to F A B. It is usually denoted by any of the following symbols, means this F A B image is denoted by star, capital T, perpendicular, direct sum, dot, plus, and so on. So this is the binary composition. We denote the binary composition plus. So generally we take plus here, means A plus B. Here cross means G plus G. A plus B belongs to G. A is the element of G and B is the element of second G. And A plus B is the unique. The product binary operation apply on small a and small b is unique. So this word is most important. This is underline here. Similarly, star will be the binary composition. Suppose A star B. Again A is the element of first G and B is the element of second G. A star B is again unique. So this is called binary composition or binary operation. Again repeat this. Cartesian product is the set A cross B denoted by A cross B, and this AB, small ab is the ordered pair, means first element present in first, second element present in second, and this is denotes Cartesian product of two sets. In general, A cross B is not equal B cross A. This is for only objective question. Binary operation of the set or binary composition. Here we take again A cross B, such as here G cross G. G is non-empty set. Again Cartesian product or their ordered pair A cross B. Here AB. This is A cross B. A is the element of A and B is the element of B. Here not cross present here, so this is the ordered pair. The function f such that or the mapping f such that f G cross G to G is called binary composition or binary operation on the set G. The image of ordered pair AB under the function f is denoted by FAB. It is usually denoted by these symbols. We take here two symbols. First is plus and second is star. Suppose first is plus and second star means multiplication. We denote the binary operation. These are the binary operation. This type A plus B belongs to G means A is the element of first A G and B is the element of second G. A plus B is unique. Similarly, we take here multiplication or star. So again binary composition. A is star B. Here again A is the element of first G and B is the element of second G. A star B is the unique. Now this is the first definition. This is the second definition. Now we take here third definition. Third definition is algebraic structure. This is the well-known word, already understood all of you. On non-empty set G, with one or more binary operations, these binary operations defined over it and satisfied certain law of binary operation is called algebraic structure. This definition is most important. Suppose that star is the binary operation on G, then G and star, this set means G star is an algebraic structure of G, and we have again so many algebraic structure here. This is the algebraic structure of natural number, algebraic structure of integer, positive integer, for plus addition, and this is the subtraction. This is again algebraic structure for real number with under addition are all algebraic structures. So this is again most important notations. Again look here, this is the Cartesian product. First definition, second definition is binary composition, third definition is algebraic structure. Now we take here algebraic structure. We take one algebraic structure G star. An algebraic structure G star where G is the non-empty set. This is already given here. G is the non-empty set with the binary operation star defined on itself. Defined on it means itself is said to be group if the following axioms or postulates or condition are satisfied. We take first axioms. This is G1 and this is G1 means this algebraic structure satisfy the following conditions. We have here following conditions G1, G2, G3 and G4. This is already you have seen in 7th or 8th class and briefly studied in 9th class. Closure property. Closure property means the operation apply here on two elements A star B. A is the element of G and B is the element of second G. This G A star B here, this is the G A star B. A is the element of A G and B is the element of G. Their ordered pair present in G. So this is A star B belongs to G. A is the element of G, B is the element of second G. This is called closure property. Now associative property. Associative property means bracket change. A star in bracket B star C is equal to A first bracket A star B star C for all A, B, C are the element of G. We take here three elements. 3G, G cross G. Here we have 2, G cross G, 2G. And here we have 3 G's. Third is existence of identity, means there exists an element, identity element. This is again most important element, means operation with any element we obtain that element, Means here element E belongs to G such that E star A is equal to A star E and is equal to A is equal to A. Means A is multiplied left side multiplied by right side, so E star A star E is the element of G, E belongs to G means E is the element of G and A is the element of G, so this is equal to A and E is called identity element. This is most important condition. E is the identity element of group. Fourth is existence of inverse for each element A belongs to G, there exists an element B belongs to G such that, means binary operation apply on A and B, A star B is equal to E and B star A is equal to E for all A is the element of A and B is the element of E. A is the element of G and B is the element of G. Here A is called inverse of B. This is most popular condition such that A into B is equal to 1. Suppose A into B is equal to 1. We take A into B is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 upon B or B is equal to 1 upon A. A into B is equal to 1. A is the inverse of B and B is the inverse of A. Here A is called inverse of B or B is called inverse of A. So this type, this is the definition of a group. This is the most important definition. Means an algebraic structure satisfy these four conditions G1, G2, G3, G4. This is the memorize. G1 means closure property, G2 means associative property, G3 means existence of identity and G4 means existence of inverse, and sequence is G1, G2, G3 and G4. This, if this algebraic structure satisfy these five conditions, then this algebraic structure is called group. This is the definition of group. Now abelian group, again an algebraic structure G star where same condition G is non-empty with the binary operation star and defined on it is said to be a following axioms are satisfied. Algebraic, the abelian group means satisfied five conditions. Here we have four conditions G1, G2, G3 and G4. Here G5 condition included here. This G5 condition. So first G1 is closure property, same closure property here. This is the closure property A star B belongs to G. A is the element of first G and B is the element second G. This is the associative property, again same. Identity existence of element G3 is same, is equal to again here A. E is the identity element. Here existence of inverse, again A star B is equal to B star A is equal to E, means A is the inverse of B and B is the inverse of A for all A is the A belongs to G and B belongs to G. This is last is commutative property. G5 is commutative property. A star B is equal to B star A as a 7 into 5 is equal to 5 into 7 or 11 into 5 is equal to 5 into 11. This type, this is the commutative property for all A is the element of G and B is the element of this. Now groupoid, an algebraic structure G star is satisfied only G1 property, then that algebraic structure is called groupoid or Cauchy group satisfied only G1 property, and their example is n plus is groupoid. This n is satisfied only first property. Now semi group, an algebraic structure satisfied G1 and G2 property. What is G1 and G2? G1 is closure and G2 is associative property. This two properties satisfied, then this structure is called semi group, and their examples n plus dot, this is the algebraic structure under the addition and multiplication. This is again under Z is the integer, under addition and multiplication Q is the rational number, under addition and multiplication is called semi group. Now monoid, an algebraic structure G star satisfied G1, G2, G3 property. This is the G1 property, G2 property, G3 property satisfied by any algebraic structure is called monoid. This is most important, and their example is n plus 0. N is natural number plus 0 is monoid. Now finite group. This is again most important definition. Any group contain finite numbers of elements is called finite group. This is important line. Any group contains finite numbers. This is called finite group. Infinite group, a group contains infinite numbers of elements is called infinite group. Both definitions most useful definitions for the objective question and for the study. Now order of group. This is again most important definition. The number of elements of a group G is called order of group. If group contains n finite numbers, then order of group is n, and this is denoted by OG is equal to n. We use this notation. OG is equal to n means order of G is equal to n. And now examples. So again repeat this. We have here first definition, Cartesian product A cross B is equal to AB, such that A is the element of A and B is the element of B. This is AB, A cross B does not equal B cross A in generally. This is not possible. Now binary operation, G is non-empty and their Cartesian product is AB. AB is their ordered pair. First element present in first, second element present in second. Any function, this function, the ordered pair present in G is called a binary composition. The image of ordered pair AB, ordered pair of G cross G, is denoted by FAB, and these are the algebraic binary operations, their notations. Now here we take plus binary operation. We take here binary operation plus and multiplication R star. So this is their explanation. Algebraic structure. Algebraic structure is again clear that is G star is algebraic structure on an set G with one or more binary operations defined over it and satisfy certain law of binary operations is called algebraic structure. This is the algebraic structure, and these are the particular algebraic structure for natural number, integers under addition, integers under subtraction, and this is real number is the algebraic structure under addition. Now definition of group. This is the algebraic structure satisfy the following properties. Those properties are G1, G2, G3 and G4. G1 is closure, G2 is associative, G3 is identity, existence of identity, and G4 is existence of inverse, and these are their explanations. And next is abelian group. Again same structure, algebraic structure satisfied 5 properties or following properties. First is G1, G2, G3 and G4. G4 is most important property, commutative property for abelian group. And simply any algebraic structure satisfied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are G1, G2, G3, G4 properties, then that is the simple group, and satisfied another property G5, then that group is called abelian group. So this fifth property is commutative property is most important for the abelian group, most important for the abelian group. The definition, this is the groupoid satisfied G1 property means single property. This is their example. Semi group satisfied 2 properties. First is associative, first is closure and second is associative. This is their examples. Now monoid satisfied 3 properties, first, second, third. First is closure, second is associative, third is existence of identity. This is monoid, and their example is most important example. This is the n plus 1. This is a finite group. A group is called finite group if group contain finite numbers, and other other end या other language. A group contain finite numbers या finite numbers of elements is called a finite group, and a group contain infinite number of elements is called infinite group. Order of group is most important. These three definitions, all definitions are most important. In that all definitions, these three are most important. First is finite, second is infinite, third is order of group. Order of group means number of elements present in a group is called order of group, and this is denoted by OG is equal to n. These are the preliminary definitions for study of group. This type our today's lecture is over.